back at it again. So what we're working on today is we're going to take the clear plastic stuff out of here. We're going to take out the vapor barrier down to the wood down there, and we're going to open this all up. This is going to allow Liz to put some vinyl stickers on or whatever to fog the glass. But again, she's going to have a little bit more window she can use and see better out of, and hopefully it'll look a little bit better too. The plastic stuff is it's okay, but it's not really the best look. So that's the plan. We'll take all this out. I have to take out the sides of both ends of the shower where the plastic's doubled up, get out the razor blade, cut everything up, and then we'll put the metal down there. We'll build a sill on it, and then we'll also have to stain it all with the deck stain too, so it can handle the water. But otherwise it should be good to go. But that's the next step, and then I'm thinking maybe after that I will test fit the toilet and pull that out once that's roughly where it needs to be, and then we'll put the caulk in the bathroom and stuff around the perimeter and seams and things like that. So that's the plan for now. Enjoy following along. Again, we might switch it up a little bit and do stain and paint next, whatever seems to fit. Quick recap on what we did. Just covered up, took all the plastic out of here, so now we don't have any plastic sheeting or tarping except for down behind the metal on the bottom. Obviously added the new metal, added a support behind there so this all stays flush. Used the existing frames around the windows to add some 1x3s to cover up some of the gaps and give us a little bit more protection from any water getting out. And then added a little bar down here so we can put kind of like maybe some big things of soap or whatever and not have to worry about them running away. And these will get stained next, and they'll get stained the same as these guys here with the deck stain, the UV and water resistant stain, and that should keep them pretty well protected against water in the shower here. And yeah, that'll be a good start. So thanks for following along. Enjoy whatever comes next.